Today we are having TDK Ventures DX Week 2023. And here we have a special guest. So Kenji, welcome here.
Thank you for having me.
So could you please self-introduce and introduce about your company?
Okay. So my name is Kenji Goho. I'm the CFO of WHILL Inc. WHILL is a Japanese startup based in Tokyo, and we provide mobility solutions in the pedestrian area. So when I say pedestrian area, we don't provide mobility for roads or like bike lanes. Our devices are for sidewalk and inside buildings. And our primary target for customers is we can apply our technology and our devices for anyone, but the primary user is elderly people and people who have difficulty walking. And our business is half sales. So we're like an OEM in terms of car makers like Toyota, but also half of our revenue comes from services. So we provide B2B and B2C services as well.
Great. So half of your business came from the service.
Yes.
So which means you have a lot of you are providing a lot of service to the customer, so that customer can use your products very kind of convenient way or very with safe feeling. So that's great to hear. So may I ask why you are spending a lot of effort and spending a lot of time to the improving the service?
Yes, so our customer, like I said, is people who have difficulty walking. And this segment is actually a growing segment, first of all, with the aging population.
Yes.
And it is a social challenge in any country, actually, right now. And we're trying to raise the QOL of those people by providing these services. So in the context of DX Week, one of our services that we currently provide is a autonomous power wheelchair solution, mainly targeting airports and hospitals. And what this solution does is it takes the manual wheelchair push service that airlines provide free for passengers, and we change that manual labor with a robot that delivers the customer or the passenger to their preferred destination within the airport. So that's the kind of stuff that we do in our business.
Okay, thank you. So when the autonomous wheelchair will be installed in the airport and hospital?
This has already been commercially up and running since 2020, starting at Haneda Airport. We currently provide services in multiple airports in Japan. And in the North America region, we provide commercial services in Canada. And currently we're developing the US market now.
Great to hear. Thank you so much. So, okay, next question is, so you're already successful in kind of providing the innovative wheelchair to the world. And what is your next target?
We want to scale this business because we believe it's a huge problem in the case of airports, for the passengers of airports. This PRM push service I'd say it's a broken system right now. And there's a lot of dissatisfaction from the passengers on the quality of the service. And we need to fix that. And we also need to reduce the cost for the airlines in order to make it sustainable with the growing population of people who use this sort of service.
Exactly. I'm pretty sure that makes the elderly people to use the airport more kind of the comfortable way.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you. So may I ask, what is the challenge point to scale out your company?
So we heard a lot about technology previously in these sessions, but actually technology is not the issue. It's not rocket science to build an autonomous system for a wheelchair because it doesn't run as fast as a car. So that's not the issue. The problem is more aligning the stakeholders and getting the buy-in from the business stakeholders, not the customers, but the business stakeholders, mainly airports and airlines, because they are concerned about safety. I think we're at a phase where the technology is already available and it's already up and running commercially. But in order to get more people on board, it's getting that buy-in, convincing the airports that this is safe and it's usable, and it will improve the quality of life for their passengers and reduce costs for the airport.
Okay, so it sounds very promising for me. Thank you so much for sharing your insights today.
Thank you.